This is Cold and Delicious. Welcome. Today we're going to be making a beet juice two different ways. We have golden beets and then we have the red beet. This is a juice for you if you're looking to improve the circulation in your blood, if you're looking for something post-workout to help with recovering your muscles, hydration, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. This is a really good juice that will also help to support your detoxification. And then of course we also have some juicy watermelon, which helped us get this nice yield of juice. Now I did wash and take some of the skin off of some of these too, but you can see it has like that beautiful orange color. I've had golden beets before. I've juiced in the past. I actually have some videos on my channel here. Pretty much the main difference between the beets are the color and the flavor profile. So the red beet is a lot more earthy and has like a deeper, richer flavor, kind of like, to me, like straight beets, it kind of tastes like almost like dirt a little bit, but beets can be really, really, really good. So please don't let that deter you from trying beets at all. But yes, they can taste a little bit like, you know, some nice dirt. So the golden beets have a much milder and sweeter flavor. They're not really sweet still, but they're not as deep, rich, and earthy as the red beets. So if you're not a fan of beets, if you can find golden beets, maybe try that and start there. We also have some apples. I don't know what kind of apple this is. I'm not gonna lie, one of these pink ones, okay? I got 5 of them already cut up. We got a really big piece of ginger because we're gonna be making a bunch of juice. We have some key lime, and then over here we have our beautiful seeded watermelon. Now, of course, before we start, honorable mention, today we are using the Nama J2 juicer by Namawell. This is my baby. This juicer is amazing. You can put the stuff in, the fruits and vegetables, you can walk away, you can go fold your laundry, you can do whatever, and it's gonna juice. You don't have to sit there and feed it in one by one. The setup is easy, breakdown is easy. I actually have some videos on setup already, so make sure that you check the channel out if you do want to see those. You can get your own with $55 off if you do use my discount code Kyra10. They also have different juicers, so you can use that discount code for whatever you would like on their website. And they do have payment plans, because I know the price of this juicer is a little scary, but I promise it's worth it. As somebody who is cheap, it's worth it. Get you one of these. The link is down below in the bio, you guys. So let's just do all this watermelon, you guys. I don't know how much this is. We just gonna freestyle it, okay? We just here for the vibes today. All right, summer 2025. Get y'all right with this drink. Definitely about to get all these good seeds in here because yes, you want your watermelon to have seeds. Get a watermelon juice already coming out. Action. So this made quite a bit of juice, 45 ounces, we'll just say that, of watermelon juice, which is great. If you want to juice on a budget, get some watermelon. Let's do the golden beet juice first because it's lighter and I don't want the remnants from the red beet to run through the golden beet juice. We'll do a little piece of ginger. Not big. Maybe we could probably do a little bit more. Let's do a little bit more. A knife is needed. In other words, another piece. All right, so we have about this much ginger. Okay, we'll just throw in a key lime here. Key limes, I don't peel the skin because it's so thin. Like when I was first watching juicing videos, they were just chucking it in and they were saying because the thin was skin. The thin was skin. The skin was thin. So hey, I just said forget it. I did it too. We'll do 2 of these apples and let's go in with our golden beet here. This color, this is like a golden, like, look like sunshine. Hurry up. So we got around 20 ounces. All right, now let's do our red beet juice. So we got this much ginger, it's probably a little less. And this time we are going to do 3 apples. We do have way more beet. The golden beet was maybe like a medium size and this red beet was a large. I'm talking about a large red. So 3 apples, 1 key lime, and these beets. Look at all this golden beet still coming out. So you guys, I think I'm gonna just juice up the rest of the watermelon that I have over there and split this up some more, but we will taste it because I feel like this one here is gonna be pungent. I don't know, that ginger is throwing me off. Let's do a little taste test. Really freaking good. It's a lot sweeter than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, I like that. That's beginner friendly. Okay, that's interesting. It's kind of interesting. Something about that is different. Well, obviously the beet is different, but this one is like a more rounder, sweeter, like a, I don't know, it's just got a round, complete taste. It's nice, sweet, light. This one, like, there's almost a saltiness to it. I think that's kind of what I'm tasting. I don't know. Like, I would have thought it would have been a little bit, this one would have been a bit more milder than this one, but this one seems milder than this one. I don't know, but either way, they both do taste good to me. I like these. So, all right, you guys, so that is all for our beet juice. Would you give these juices a try? Drop it down below in the comments, you guys. I would like to get the engagement up on this channel since I am getting back to it and being consistent. So help your girl out. Drop me a comment down below. Give me a subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next juicing video.